Hello everybody and welcome back to tutorials programming, and here is a tutorial on how to install intelliJ IDEA. So this program is associated by Python program language learning. Download. Alright. Here are the options. This is to download intelliJ IDEA. Oh, it can be either for the Mac or for Linux. Well, apparently I would use this for Windows because I'm using Windows. I'm not using a Linux or a Mac. I'm using a Windows 10 eventually. So what I will do is download this one. It's downloading. So please guys, please have patience. Mm, Let's open this download now. Okay, here it is. Yes. Welcome to intelliJ IDEA setup. Okay, when it says here, it means that the setup will guide you through the installation of intelliJ IDEA. It is recommended that you close all other applications before starting setup. It will make it possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. Okay, press next, and next, next. Alright, create associations. Java, Groovy, Kit, Kids. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. And press install. Alright, it's installing. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, it's extracting the files here. That's what it's doing. It's extracting them. And here where it says show details, you can shows you information here. Mhm. Here it says, please wait while intelliJ IDEA is being installed. Okay, so you gotta have a little patience here. Sometimes it takes long. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, there you go. Press run intelliJ IDEA and finish. Oh, here it is. Okay, and here it says, here is the user agreement of intelliJ IDEA. Parties. Here it says about the laws, like for example, like copyright. Yeah. hmm Yeah, like copyright or stealing, theft. That is illegal. That's basically illegal, that it says here. Around here somewhere. Third party. Well, third party basically is like copyright infringement. So it's also illegal. And sometimes here in here says disclaimer or damages. Of damages. Like if you violate the law, will that the parties will be liable to you, your here says users or anyone else for any loss of data, goodwill or profits, whatever, or for any loss of damages in connection with termination or suspension of your access to the products. It's saying here basically it says that it means that, like for example, like if you do copyright infringement, you will probably be banned from using the services of here. You can get banned, and also you can get damages, like for example getting banned or terminated account. It can result in termination. And here says children and minors. If you are under 18 years old, then by entering into this agreement, you explicitly display that you have legal capability to conceal this agreement. And it says here, if you are under 13 years old, if you do not understand this section, do not understand it. It says you may not enter into this agreement if you are under 13. Saying here that that if you are under 13, you cannot be entered in here. Well, I'm not under 13 years old. I'm older. And it says children and minors. If you are 18 years old, then by entering into this agreement, it's saying here that you have to be either accompanied by a parent or legal guardian to do so, by understanding the privacy and policy if you are under the age of 18 years old. That's what it means. Well, sometimes, sometimes, look, I want to put this straight. Sometimes it might say some crap, basically. Yeah. Okay, press continue. Data sharing help improve its products by sending anonymous data about on types of files. Please note that this will not include personal data or any sensitive information such as file names. Well, basically, when I said about the use agreement of 18 years of age, about if you're under the age of 18, and you have to be accompanied, I don't know, it says have to be read by a legal guardian or parent. Well, look, it's not horseshit. That's what I say it is. Yeah. It's not horseshit. So press here, don't send. Alright. It says here get license from. Alright. So here says that you have to do. Hmm. So what? Okay. Well, I basically don't have an account for this. Send me tips to learn. Okay. Mm. Right. Alright. So here we are. This is intelliJ idea. So here you have to create either an account or from activation code. Press here send. Alright. So here it said when you press this you have to enter your email address. Alright, and that's all for today. Mhm. Thanks for watching.